another toy surprise. Marianne, can you open it so we can see what's inside? Okay. On the box it says it's a remote control car toy. Let's open it up. Okay.
It's so difficult.
You're doing it wrong. Oh, open the flap. Ooh, it's pink. Here's the steering wheel so it can go round. And the front toy. Okay, nothing else. So, this thing can go...
Got the wire.
Oh, yeah. Take out the antenna. So this one goes front and this one goes turn. Look how cool this cool car is. Whoa. And on the wheels it says Super Racing. Yeah, it says Super Racing. And it says it's a taxi city vehicle. So it's a pink taxi. Ooh, I like pink. And it has blue eyes. And it has a purple top. And, of course, yellow lights. And a pink car. It's a pink taxi. And I'm so excited to play with this toy because it's my favorite color, pink. But I'm so sad. Do you know why we're sad? Because this car and this remote control require two different types of batteries. This car requires 3 AA batteries and this remote does he go boom? And this remote control requires one 9-volt battery. And we only have the double A batteries and not the 9-volt batteries. If you would like to win this toy, comment Pink Taxi down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And give it a huge thumbs up. And remember, be kind to others and make a new friend. Bye-bye. 谢谢多。谢谢多。